In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Airtable base, view, form, or interface public. To get started, open the Airtable item you want to share publicly. This could be a full base, a specific view, a form, or an interface, depending on what you want other people to access. Before you do anything else, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct place. This is important because each type of Airtable asset can have different sharing options, and you want to make sure you're publishing exactly what you intend to share. Once you have it open, go to the Share button or the sharing settings. In Airtable, this is usually the main place where link access and visibility controls are managed. When you open those settings, look for the option that allows you to create or enable a shareable or public link. Turn that option on so Airtable generates a link that can be accessed by other people. After that, review the permissions carefully. This part matters a lot because it determines what other people can actually see or do when they open the link. Depending on what you're sharing, you may be able to control whether viewers can only look at the content, submit information through a form, or interact with certain parts of an interface. Choose the settings that match your goal while keeping access as limited as possible. A good rule is to give the minimum level of access needed. Next, test the public link before sending it out. Open it in another browser or use a private or incognito window so you can see exactly what someone without your account access will experience. This helps you catch any issues right away, such as a link that doesn't work properly or content that appears differently than expected. While previewing, do a careful review of everything being shown. Make sure any private fields, sensitive records, or internal-only information are hidden before you share the link with others. This is one of the most important parts of the process because once a public link is sent out, people may be able to view whatever is included in that shared version. When everything looks correct and you're confident the setup is safe, copy the public link and send it to the people who need access. At that point, your Airtable content is ready to be shared publicly in a controlled and intentional way. And that's how to make an Airtable base, view, form, or interface public.